Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video review for the Lenovo Watch Fit. On our previous video, we have the design, the specifications, and the UI. On this video, we will focus on the menus and features. So if you are interested to see the loaded features here in our Lenovo Watch Fit L-SWAF101 model, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the offered menus and features in our Lenovo Watch Fit. So let's check first the design. So here's the design of our Lenovo Watch Fit. Then for the UI, on top we have notifications. On the bottom part, there's no features here. Okay. On the left side, we have the split screen. On the right side, we have the widgets. And here on this side, if you're going to press this one, it will show the options and settings for the smartwatch. To access the main menu, just press the power button. Okay, so it is a bit different here for our Lenovo Watch Fit. Usually on top we have the settings and options. On the bottom part is the notifications, or vice versa. So let's check the offered menus and features. So we have message notification. We also have here, I think this is for the payment. We have the wallet. We have the timer. We also have here the calculator, stopwatch. We have a siren. Okay, so we do have a sound there. I think it is somewhat like an SOS. We have an alarm. We have find phone, business card. So we have here the X or the Twitter, Facebook, and WhatsApp for the business card. Okay, I'm going to check this one later on. We have the app center. Okay, respiratory rate. So this is the only app offered here. I wonder if we connect it. If we connect it to the support app, we'll have more apps. I don't know. We'll check. We have the heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring. We have the sports activity here. Based on the Lenovo packaging here, we have at least 50 plus sports mode. We have the sleep monitoring. We have the sports record here. We have a Bluetooth call with support for recent calls, contacts, and dial pad. We have the, I don't know if what's this, watch band. Let's see. Please add it in. What's this? In more common function. Okay, we have the music control. We have a weather report, a voice assistant, and again notifications. For the settings, let's see. We have the options for notification. Then we have the general here. This includes the device info, Lenovo Watch Fit, and we have the product model. We have the language settings, factory reset, and power off. We also have here the do not disturb mode. Menu view, we have at least several options here, as you can see. what we have is somewhat like a list but in a different format here. Then again, we have brightness option, manual brightness option. We have wrist awake feature, cover screen off, and screen off lock. Okay, so we have several options here for the screen. Ringtone vibration, we also have it here. Password, key definition, I guess you can customize this. Okay, so you can change it. Do not disturb, and that's it. Battery, time settings, bedside clock, health reminder, and power saving mode. So we do have the basic features here for our wearable, and we also have here some new features, especially this one. We don't know this, we'll check on it. We do have some advanced features and unique features for our Lenovo Watch Fit. And this one also, we do have the app center, which we seldom see in other wearables. Also the business card here with focus on the X, Facebook, and the WhatsApp application. As we go on with our review for the Lenovo Watch Fit, we'll test all of the features here. So if you have any questions, drop a comment below, and of course watch out for our next video for this wearable, and like, share, and subscribe. Bye.